baby mamacita. We do a lot of unboxings here, monthly subscription box unboxings, quarterly, annually, whatever. We do a lot of unboxings here. We do hauls, product hauls, reviews, try-ons, those kinds of things right here. But we do it in a very fun and hopefully entertaining way. Thank you guys for joining me here today. We are going to unbox not a new box to my channel, but it has been a hot minute since I have unboxed Vellabox. If you guys are into candles like me, then this particular box is right up your freaking alley. If you guys check out Vellabox.com, you will see that they have fun, different ways to receive candles monthly. That's right. You're going to pick the box that you want. There's 3 different sizes and it starts just at $10 a month, you guys. Receive candles monthly, set your mood, experience new scents perfectly curated to the season. It's fall, y'all. You know, this is going to be a fall scent. And I am super, super freaking excited. So, opening up Vellabox, let's go ahead and see what this scent is. I am super excited. I need a new candle. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so opening up the box, it says, "You return like autumn and I fall every time." This is by Far Away. Cute, 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 cute. Gives you all the warm and fuzzies, doesn't it? Okay, so I've got 2 candles in here. They come in these cute little cinch bags. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. It's like almost like a canvas bag with some tie strings. And then I also have a smaller candle. This is the 4 ounce. Super cute. My little surprise gift is actually some tea. So isn't that adorable? I love that. This is tea with tay, traditional chai tea. And it has the ingredients: Ceylon black tea, cardamom, ginger, cinnamon, and cloves. So a nice little tea that you can try while you are enjoying your candle. And then of course they have a postcard which definitely has what's inside the box, and it gives the idea of the different notes and things, the descriptions of each candle, and we'll go over those as soon as I open these up. So let's go ahead and open this big one up, you guys. So this is a $30 a month package. This is where you're going to get the 1 8-ounce and the 1 4-ounce candle. So it's 75 hours of burn time. So here's the big one. Look at that. So the packaging is fairly simple. It's fairly classic. I like that. I like a simple, especially if I'm just putting it in my bathroom or whatever. So this one is called Toasted Pumpkin. Beverly plus Third Candle Company. It's a hand-poured soy candle. Love that. Decent size. Let's open it up. I love myself some pumpkin. I love that. I'm not a big pumpkin spice latte girl when it comes to coffee, but I do enjoy the pumpkin scents for sure. Doesn't get much better than this blend of cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, and toasted pumpkin. Is it the nostalgia of coming home to the mouth-watering scent of fall treats baking in the oven? Yeah, probably. Perhaps this combination is just the perfect recipe for feelings of coziness and comfort. The scent notes are pumpkin, nutmeg, cinnamon, and smoke. Definitely smell that pumpkin. It's not too strong, and it's got just that subtle amount of smoke scent to it that it gives you that nice, warm, and cozy feeling for sure. This one is called Happy Camper. Again, the design is very simple. Happy Camper is apple, caramel, raspberry, and cedar are the notes. What once was a dense canopy of leaves above is now sparse, allowing the sun's rays to peek through and warm up camp. The fallen leaves crunch under your feet, but those that are fresh cover the ground in a beautiful array of warm tones. A large snapping fire dances and a nearby stream trickles in the distance. To be one with nature is a very beautiful thing. Yes. Let's open this one up. Happy Camper. I don't know about that one. Smells very clean. I was hoping for more of a fruitier scent because it said the apple, the caramel, the raspberry, but I personally smell more of the cedar in there. Okay, so you have the 2 different candles and the chai tea bonus gift. So that is your $30 price plus the $3 shipping. You're looking at $33 for 2 candles and the bonus gift of the tea. So let's go ahead, you guys, and rate that Vellabox. Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. The toasted pumpkin, I can tell I'm going to freaking love this one so much. The Happy Camper is okay. It's not like, I want to like this one just to kind of see how strong it comes off. Let that go for a little bit. So yeah, I really like the fact that you get new scents. You can go onto their website and you can choose different candles that you want to order on your own. That is also super fun. So when we rate the box, you guys, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box. That includes how it was packaged, the different marketing pieces in it, the brochure / postcard that should be giving a detail of the items inside the box. And then we also rate based on the price point, the variety of the items, and the value of the items. I really love the variety of the scents that they do have available on their website. You're able to purchase those if you so choose. You do get a surprise when it comes to receiving your candles. I had no idea that these were the scents that I would be getting, but I really like the fact that they are tailored to the season. Okay, so now this one isn't bad now that it's lit. It's very subtle. It's not very overwhelming or strong. When I put my nose up to it, when it wasn't lit, I did smell a very strong cedary smell. But once it's lit, it is actually pretty good. So overall, I really enjoyed this box. I love candles. I love the fall scents. I love the choices that they gave for me. I love the fact that I got a larger candle and a smaller candle, and they were pretty different when it came to the scent choices. So let's go ahead and give this Vellabox a rating. Are you ready? Vellabox, a 6. Great job, Vellabox. I love these scents. As I thought, I really love the pumpkin smell. The cedar one wasn't really my jam too much, but I'm starting to kind of get used to it as I have it burning here. But yes, definitely a fun box to receive. A little bit higher priced than I would like. $30 for 2 candles, an 8 ounce and a 4 ounce is kind of high for me. And then when you're paying the shipping on top of that, you're paying $33 for 2 candles. And if you're into candles, if you really freaking love candles, you love trying new candles, this is definitely a box for you, but the price point is a little high. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think of Vellabox? What do you think of these scents? Would these be scents that you would actually love to try? Let me know down in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and we will see you in the next video.